deal with things. I take everything very personally.
Really?
Very, very personally. If someone looks at me in a way that I think, like, you know, I can look at 3 people in the audience, and if I see an expression in their eyes, which is probably not even about me, my mind will start thinking, that person doesn't like me. Oh, you know, no, they don't like me, you know. So I have to learn not to be so sensitive, just be a little tougher.
This is a bad industry for someone who's sensitive, isn't it? It's the wrong industry.
Yeah, it is. It really is. Because you have to, I think the most important thing when you're on a set is you have to not care what anyone is thinking. Because you have to perform for the camera and try the best you can.
Yeah.
And that, I think to perform as an actor anyways, it requires you to expose a lot of yourself. I mean, in terms of emotionally, you have to be very open and not afraid to, you know, to show your emotions.
Okay. You know, this discussion is going out live on CNN, IBN.
And can be edited?
And my friend Rajan Garabadu from CNN, IBN sent me a list of questions I should ask you. So I'm going to ask some of them.
I have a feeling now's the time I should run.
But the camera will catch you. The first one was, if you had to choose a favorite co-star between, I think you know the answer, you know the rest of this question, Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan, who would you pick and why?
Why me?
Because you've acted with them?
What I would do is I would...
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
You're
Yeah.
not saving a... Okay.
Sunday keep for other actors. Guest appearance for them.
Bolo.
I would try to find a producer and director who had the talent or the vision to convince them to be in a film together.
That's very good, but it's not... It's very, that's,
And I think if that happens, I'll be the producer and then retire.
would you really like to make a movie with Shah Rukh and Salman together?
Yes, I would.
Yes.
And I would like to be the producer.
Would you sign it? Would you sign up for it if she offered you a role?
Anything for Katrina.
More seriously, would you make a movie with Salman as co-star?
I mean, you know, it's थोड़ा सा oxymoron है. More seriously, would you sign? ऐसा थोड़ा सा मुझे odd लगता है. I think the film, if we do get a chance now, see, I'll tell you, I'll make it very clear.
Yeah.
Once and for
You know
all.
what the question is, so just
Live on
answer it.
CNN and IBN only for the sake of Rajdeep Sardesai and Veer Sanghvi.
And Rajan Garbadu, whose question it is.
And Rajan Garbadu.
Okay. Yeah, all right.
Lovingly calling you Rajan. Okay, Rajan. So, my thing is, you see, we've had a little bit of a personal issue. This is not the first time. 4 years ago, we've had it before. We've been very close for 20 years, even more. From the day I've come in, I always respect the family, and the fact that they've given me a lot of love can never be disrespectful about that. Having said that, we both have grown together. We have certain things which are very similar, certain things which we completely disagree on. So at this point of time, we are on that plane of disagreement. And, you know, there might come a time where these things will get resolved, not resolved, but it'll never be on a public platform. It will be a personal thing. So it will never get resolved because a producer cast us in a film, even if that is Katrina Kaif. Okay. It will never even get resolved, as a matter of fact, if 2-3 people came in between and said, resolve this. I think it'll something that grown-up men, strong grown-up men, as you said, we will sort our differences out. So very seriously, I don't think a film is going to bring us together or resolve the issue. It's too big. Bring us together, ऐसा लगने लगा कुछ gesture पड़ा के hero heroine बिछड़ गए. ऐसा नहीं है. Like if we get onto the same plane and start chatting, but not for a film and stuff, I don't think it'll happen now.
लेकिन होगा.
Not on a film. I mean, you know,
नहीं,
if
in
you were
real
to
life?
ask me, I don't know. हम दोनों बैठ के actually, to be honest, ऐसा सोचते नहीं हैं.
So I guess I should find a new retirement plan.
I think so. I think this one is.
Yeah, you'll have to go for lesser stars, darling.
Okay. Last questions before I sort of throw this open. One, you went and visited Bal Thackeray. There has been a time when the Shiv Sena has criticized you, etc. Talk about it. Tell me how you feel.
Like I said, you know, even at that point of time, I have a personal relationship with Bala Sahab and Uddhav ji and Raj. And, you know, I was quite amazed at the fact that this kind of issue was suddenly brought up. And I do understand the politics of it, the misunderstandings of it. I don't know how it went beyond that. But when it comes to a personal thing, I think out of huge amount of regard, plus not only for his age and status, but for the fact that I've spent some good times with him. And मेरी माँ ने मुझे कहा था कि अच्छे वक्त में जितना लड़ना है लड़ लो, बुरा वक्त आए तो दुआ करने के लिए ज़रूर जाना और प्यार ज़रूर बांटना. And it's something that is ingrained in me. खुदा ना खास्ता. I think he's extremely unwell, and I think I needed to be there and with his family and go and pray for him. So I did. I spent the last an hour and a half actually, and really nice. And I wish him all the best, and I hope he recovers fast and is healthy. And you know, okay, I won't say it as a joke, and we can fight again about some issue later on in full health.
All right. A final question to you, Sharak. It's from all my Twitter followers. Everybody, I tweeted about this and I said, any questions you want me to ask? And the only question people really want me to ask was, didn't you have some rule about not kissing on screen? And why are you kissing? And was it just Katrina who made you do it?
No, I had a couple of rules actually, that I won't ride a horse and I won't kiss.
You won't ride a horse?
Yeah,
Okay.
both are cumbersome. Yeah, I don't know how to do both on screen. I mean, I could ride a heroine and kiss a horse if you want, but Rajdeep, cut that out, please.
He'll cut out the kiss a horse bit, I think.
But
So why do you do it?
no, I've done it in theater. I've perhaps done it in another film. You know, I find it very awkward because of you know, it's very mechanically done. 100 people, thoda aisa ho jao, thoda aisa ho jao, thoda aisa ho jao. It's very odd. And I don't even do photo shoots with heroines, actually, if it's not for my film. That's also a rule, because I don't like to waste their time. You know, they're so fantastic with it. I just go very awkward, posing, you know, pulling a shirt off. I can't do that. I can do it in character for a film poster. So for years, I've not done it. This being extremely special, yes, Ji. And he spoke to everyone and he said, you know, Shahrukh, it's the requirement, and it's not like what my son calls a mouth-to-mouth resuscitation eating kiss.
I'll ask the recipient about that later, yeah.
It just, and I'll be very honest. I'll be very honest. Adi, Yasji, Katrina, and I say this with all humility and thankfulness to them. They knew that I'm awkward. They know that I have an issue, and I'm a very easy actor to work with and like family. And they were extremely, extremely gentle and said, you know what, see, you don't have to do it. But they all got together and forced me.
It's a dirty job, but someone has to do it. Yeah?
I can't tell you, you know, साला पैसा भी दिया उसके लिए यार. No, it's the call. You know, it's you know, when heroines say this, you know, I wore a bikini because the story demanded it, so I did it because the story demanded it. Now,
All right.
believe it or don't believe it, I'm really sorry I kissed, or I'm really happy I'm kissed, whatever. I'm very embarrassed that you asked me this, so I'll just hide my face and sit here for 2 minutes.
Okay, I think, well, do we have time for audience questions? We do, yeah, great. Okay, a few audience questions. Okay, let's try and get people at the back. It's always the fat cats in the front row get all the questions. Okay, the lady there. She's behind. Okay, both of you then. I'm actually meant the lady behind you, so you can give her the microphone.
I'm so sorry, I did not. Yeah,
No
I'll
worries.
give it to her afterwards.
Okay, sure. Ask your question.
Yes. I would first like to take this opportunity of saying that I love you very, 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 very much, Shahrukh.
Thank you.
I mean, I've been waiting for ages and since 26 years to say this. So, I love you very much.
And what's
My
your
name
name?
is Anchal.
Anjan.
Anchal.
Anchal. Thank you,
Yeah.
Anchal. I love you too.
Thank you so much. My question to you, Katrina just mentioned you being human is the reason that you can get aggressive, you can be lonely, you can cry. My question to you, are you ever scared now that you are, you know, at the top, you have everything that you want, your children, your wife, your big house, everything that you can ask for. So is Shahrukh scared of anything? Yes? So what it is?
No, not at all. I'll be very honest. You know, when I started acting, I wanted a car and I got the whole company to endorse. And, you know, I wanted a house, and mashallah, the biggest house. I wanted children, I have the most beautiful children. I wanted a career. You know, before I came in, Veer very sweetly asked me, "Kab se star ho yaar?" I got a little embarrassed. Ki, "Jab se paida hua hu, tab se star hu yaar." But 22 years, just to be.
Just.
You made it clear, jab se pehli release hui. I think I've been given so much for a person who genuinely believes, and I'm not being deprecating, I'm self-deprecating, I'm genuinely saying, I have really never thought I have the talent. Initially, in the first 7 years, I was young and stupid. I thought I was the best actor. I thought I was God's gift to Indian film industry. I thought I'm even taller than Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. But